In this video, we are going to learn the brand new dynamic text block feature in Adobe Photoshop 2026. First, type your text on the canvas. Select all text. Go to the Properties panel. Convert the text to all caps for a bold look. Now come to the magic. Click the dynamic text icon. Choose block. Move your cursor and watch the text automatically rearrange itself to fit perfectly. Clean, dynamic, smart typography. Thanks for watching. Follow for more Photoshop tips.